Hey Jim, look what we got in the mail the other day. Can you see that okay?
Yeah, I can see that. What is that, Louis?
That is a credit card offer for my daughter who's in college. Look at this. She's already pre-qualified. She doesn't even have a job. You know, this is a problem in, this is a problem. Kids get these, they're in college, they're already in debt up to the hilt with their school loans and everything. Then they get these credit card offers, right? Look at this, zero interest, 0% until November. They get 1.5% cash back. Ooh, that sounds good. This one has no annual fee. I mean, we get these all the time, but she's
So,
in.
so that's like free money.
That's like free money, right? But the problem with this is that as we shot other videos on, the credit card debt and how, there's a good book on this, the credit cards on campus, and what they seek to do. Because most of the time, the first credit card you get, you normally stick with that credit card for a very long time in life. But a credit card is supposed to be for only for emergencies. I can feel that there's a credit card in here. It probably has all kinds of, it says Quicksilver on the back. It probably has all kinds of ways that you can spend this money. What you could use it.
That's going to be great for like spring break, right?
Yeah, thankfully, yeah, you're right. And that's exactly what kids would do. I imagine she's not the only one that got this offer, that she's pre-qualified already. We don't know what the balance, the credit limit would be, but yeah, if she was to do a spring break or something, you could put a couple $1,000 could rack up on this very easily and be deemed an emergency. You know, it just gets me upset that people, they market to kids that have no income, and they say to them stuff like, oh, you're going to be an engineer, or you're going to be this, or you're going to be that. And so you're going to be making plenty of money, not realizing that you can have a car payment, an apartment payment, possibly, paying back your school loans. You're going to have all this other debt on you. And now you're going to have a credit card debt that you really don't need.
Yeah, but I
It,
mean, minimum payment's only what, 25, $35 a month?
Right.
How's
Yeah.
that going to hurt?
I think on the one that we looked at the other day with the interest rate at 21%, on a couple $1,000, it's like $60 a month now. It all depends on the credit card. How much interest they want to extract out of you is going to be how much the payment is based off. I think we did a post also on how somebody can calculate what their interest rate is. But this reminds me, and I've used this illustration in seminars before of the movie Pinocchio, when the kids, the boys there all went to, I think it was Paradise Island, or to go where they could drink and play and all this stuff, and then they were slowly turned into donkeys. It was like one of the most horrific scenes that Disney had ever done. This was in 1940. Let me see if I can share my screen and show that to you.
Yeah. You have that clip?
I do. I kept it up because I knew I was going to be showing it to you. Can you see that?
I can see it.
Well, so here, look at this. This was in 1940. Look at the image of the person or creature pulling this donkey out of here. Watch this for a second.
And what's your name? Okay, you'll do. In you go. You horse will bring a nice price. All right, next. And what might your name be?
Alexander.
So you can talk.
Yes, sir. I want to go home to my mama.
Take him back. He can still talk.
Please, I don't want to be a donkey. Let me out of here.
Quiet! You boys have had your fun. Now pay for it.
Boys? So that's...
So that was the 1940s, and it said, you boys have had your fun. Now they have to pay for it. At some point, you can have your fun, but you're going to have to pay for it. and you see that they were sold to the salt mines and the circus and different things, you may have to take a job that's not meant for you, or to give up your dream of being an entrepreneur or whatever it might be, because you've got to pay all your bills, all these debts that you pay, and it starts to entrap you from the very beginning. So my counsel would be, if you don't need a credit card, you don't have, don't get one. And if you get one of these in the mail, throw it away. Throw it away. These, especially if you're a Christian, there are very few emergencies that I believe that you're going to have where God has not provided a way for it. But, it is, there is a need sometimes for these. I get that. But offering it to kids in college, really? I know that she's gotten them since she was in high school. Michael hasn't gotten any yet, but it's only a matter of time. We'll see. He's 17, so we'll see what happens here when he turns 18, how many credit card offers he gets. Now, we're right during a pandemic where the people aren't working. How would they even begin to pay this back? And of course, the draw of the low payments is the ticket to the getting the hooks into you, just like in Pinocchio. What do you think, Jim?
Well, and it's probably a whole nother topic, but it will also lead them to not paying it and then ruining their credit right from the start.
Right. And if you have bad credit, like you said, that is another topic for us. Bad credit affects everything. It affects the amount of what you're going to have to pay on your auto insurance, what you're going to have to pay on your homeowner's insurance. Because if you have bad credit, then you must be high risk because you're making poor choices. And so therefore, all these other things, you won't get a good interest rate on your credit, when you go to buy a car or something. Yeah, they might advertise a low rate, but if you don't have a good credit, you're not getting that rate. You're going to instantly push to the higher rate. So you're going to pay higher on that. You're going to pay higher on your insurance, all because your credit was ruined. But I just wanted to share that with you this morning. Thanks for suggesting that we should just shoot a quick video to make people aware of that. And, that's all I have for everybody today.
Awesome. Thanks, Louis.
Thank you.